guys. My name is Alan Jones. I just want to say congratulations on your first step in joining this amazing opportunity at GoE1U. You're going to click Start right now. Once you click that, it's going to take you to the Create Account page. You're going to create a username that's unique to you. First name, last name, email address, telephone number, password. Click I'm not a robot and click Create an account. The next page is going to ask you for your Bitcoin received wallet address. If you don't know what it is, I have another that'll show you how to get your Bitcoin received wallet address. Enter your Bitcoin wallet address. It's very important. It's how you get paid and how you earn here at GoE1U. Once you complete that, you're going to go to the next screen. It's going to tell you where to send your Bitcoin to. You're going to send your Bitcoin to that address using that QR code. Now, understand the amount to get started is $25 plus the $6.25 admin fee. I always like to send 50 cents to $1 just to make sure that I'm not short because we don't want any delays in the sign-up process. Now, for Coinbase, I only promote Coinbase, but you can use any wallet of your choice from Cash App to whatever wallet that you use. But once you've created your Coinbase account and you've loaded it up with Bitcoin, you're going to click Transfer. You're going to click Send Crypto. When you get to the next part, you're going to paste or you're going to use the QR scan to scan the correct address to send the Bitcoin to. Now you want to make sure that you choose Bitcoin. And then you want a Bitcoin default because we want to make sure it's on a proper network. And then I always use USD so you can know exactly what amount to send. So in this case, I sent 32 USD dollars. It converts it into Bitcoin. I submit it, click send now, and done. Once you've done that, you're going to go back to your screen and you're going to click submit payment. Now, you're going to get a no transaction found if you didn't send anything or if they haven't received it yet. Or if you send less than an amount that's needed to activate, you will have a no transaction found. Congratulations. Once the transaction is found, if you send, it's going to tell you transaction found. So we have to wait a few minutes in order for that to be completely received to get you activated here at GoE1U. Now, during the meantime, I always recommend go check your email because your email is going to have all your login information on you getting started, your password, and you want to save that information because you want to be able to come back and check and be able to log back in at a later time. Now, once you've logged back in or once it's went through, it's going to take you to what we like to call your GoE1U back office. In your GoE1U back office, you're going to just click on affiliate portal. You're going to agree to the terms and agreements. From there, you're going to click where it says GoE1U Matrix. Once you click that, it's going to open up another portal that's going to show you all the different matrices amounts that you can join here at GoE1U. You're going to activate the 25 and notice the screen is going to pop right back up for you to verify payment. Once you click verify payment, it's going to take you to the transaction history that shows that the $25 credit purchase was purchased. And then all you're going to do is just go back to your matrix and you'll see that your $25 matrix is activated. From there, you can proceed to activate the other matrices in order for $100, $500, $1,000, $4,000, whichever one is your choice, right? Now, your email that you get is very important that you screenshot it, save it, because you want to be able to use that to come back and do all the login information that you possibly can. Now, I'm a big believer that documentation beats conversation. We've earned thousands of dollars in Bitcoin in this opportunity. The company's paying out over millions and millions of dollars in Bitcoin. I've earned over $200,000 in Bitcoin. So this amazing opportunity. But let me show you what it was like when I first got started. All right, everyone. I'm going to show you what my actual GoE1U back office look like. Because like I said before, I'm a big believer that documentation beats conversation. So I'm going to go to my transaction history so you can see the Bitcoin being earned right now. But let's go back when I started. When I first got started, I opened up the $25 matrix and the $100 matrix. That's where my relief level was. And when I did that, I started earning, as you can see, $25 payments, $100 payments, $25 payments, $100 payments. And my person I sponsored went to the $1,000 level. So I was missing out on $500 payments and $1,000 payments from the $500 matrix and the $1,000 matrix. So I had to open up a $500 matrix because I could not get $500 Bitcoin payments if I opened up the $500 matrix. Notice I'm still getting $100 matrix and getting $25 matrix. And I said, you know what? Let me go up to the $1,000 matrix as well too, because I didn't want to miss any Bitcoin if I didn't have to. So notice the $25 matrix payments, $500 matrix payments, $100, $500 matrix payments, $25 matrix payments. As you can see, the $500, $100, and $25 matrix payments coming in, right? And then what happens? Then all of a sudden, you start seeing me earning $1,000 matrix payments, $1,000 matrix payments as well, right? And you see $1,000 matrix payments, $500 matrix payments. And I said, you know what? Why don't I go all in? Let me open up the $4,000 matrix. So I went out there and I opened the $4,000 matrix. So now the $4,000 matrix payments coming in. You know, as you can see, $4,000 matrix payments, $25 matrix payments, $100 matrix payments. All these are paying out direct deposited into my Bitcoin wallet. So if somebody tells you, hey, they don't know if this thing works, I am a big believer, and I'm a prime example that this actually works. I earned some incredible Bitcoin, and I'm still earning Bitcoin from this GoE1U opportunity. So just keep that in mind, your belief level. I'm going to tell you, go as high as you possibly can. Guys, this is an amazing opportunity for each and every single individual on this Zoom.